Alright, what's up YouTube, you know? We're here making another video.
This time with bad news.
We're gonna make this video anyways, but we're gonna show you like how bad this is. So, like a couple months ago, the resonator on this Yonaka exhaust went out. I deleted it, right? You know, deleted it. It still sounded good. The muffler was still good. And now, boom, the muffler breaks. The muffler breaks, and then this car completely sounds like cheeks, man. It sounds really bad. And today we come from the gym. I decide to do a pull, right? And we just hear this long, like really loud gunshot. And like, what the hell was that? Whoa. And then my car got really loud all of a sudden. And we're like, man, I think we lost a bolt or something. Nah, it was this freaking hole right there. Huge.
So disclaimer, if you want to fucking shoot flames, do not buy Yonaka.
There you go.
But look what we got here. Look at this baby. Look at this baby right here. It's all right. It's all right.
You know.
How much you got it for? How much you got it for?
150.
eBay?
Shipped. eBay.
Yep. So, you know.
You ready?
Always bribing. Hey, yo, always go right.
We can't mess up this time.
Después ya no más escribir bribing cuando seamos famosos.
So yeah, we're gonna go. You know, I have a friend that welds. He doesn't charge me that bad, but like, if he's steep on the price, then we definitely gonna go look for somebody else.
Yeah.
Because the car sounds like cheeks.
Yeah, this can definitely go any longer because you know
it's crazy.
The nice Hondas out here. No crazy Hondas sounding like shit. We're nice Hondas. Don't confuse us.
All right, so not that is raspy, because it is raspy, but not only that, it's also really freaking loud. Just listen.
Yeah, that's nothing, man. Just wait for a pull.
That's only 3,000 RPM, man. Oh, man.
It sounds like a Honda with open headers, man. Shit.
It really does. VTEC is like stupid loud.
Oh no! Well, yeah, we on the fucking way. You know, we'll check back.
just here editing a video
Yeah.
about the exhaust for the Honda Civic, you know, and we just want to say that basically we broke the Yonaka muffler.
Yeah, as we were editing this, I screamed "fuck Yonaka," and man, like, you know, it happened again. We bought you'll see in the video we bought the Byron one. You know, same shit happened 2 months later. It was just, you know,
It blew.
Yeah. It wasn't as bad, but I mean, it still sounds like shit. So, if you daily your Civic, I mean, if you daily a Honda, don't shoot flames. It's gonna break. Byron is probably the best brand out there for mufflers. I mean, if there's a better one, it's probably like $500 for a muffler. So
yeah, we're really trying to put a Tomei on the Civic, you know.
A Tomei on the Civic. I mean, nobody's done it. That probably get us views. So we'll see. More content, you know. We got 2 new cars. Sold my Civic now, but I got another project coming. We'll show that eventually.
Yeah, so more videos coming soon. And anyways, thanks for watching and just keep supporting us.
Yeah, subscribe, hit that shit, hit the like button, whatever YouTubers be saying, you know. All right, bye.